Current account, profit loss. That's today. When they bought one contract, that's the crazy thing. I thought about two, we would have doubled the profit. We would probably got like 400, but only had 200 on the account, so I was only able to buy one contract. One contract is like 184, and so I bought that, and then I bought a $67 put on SQ for 2100, no 21.1, 2.1 per contract. I mean per share, and then I sold it for 4.1, which is basically double the profit. And I bought it at 9:40, and then I sold it at 1 o'clock, 1:02 basically. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. It was it expired the 22nd, or it expired the 9th, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Here 840, around this price. I saw it go. I think it peaked above 66 or 67. It was around there, and so I bought it around here at the high of the candle. As soon as the market opened, I really knew that, I was like, all right. I was at the 1 hour chart. This is 1 hour and this is 5 minute, and then had it on the 4 hour chart. I was looking at it at the 4 hour. I was like, all right, yeah, this is probably gonna be a move to the downside, because we were just hitting higher highs, and we're probably have to go down. So that's what I knew was gonna happen. I saw it go down $10, and then boom, it'll go back down to 1, and then it'll go back down to I'll be losing $5, and I'll be gaining $1. I really had to be patient and just trust in my strategy, I guess. And that's basically what I did. I just trusted my strategy, trusted myself.
Alright, we was trading forex earlier on MT5. My account started at 150, but then I added $20, then I was pretty much down $60, and the commissions 23. So we're at 84 right now, and then took some green trades right now, making some green trades, and that's how I want to keep it. Yeah, just slow green trades on forex. Tomorrow I'll be doing options, and I'll be reviewing the option tradings tomorrow. So yeah, peace. Alright guys, so I want to give you a quick update. We currently blew the MT5 account, blew it. I thought I was gonna make a lot of money trading the forex. I thought 1 to 500 leverage was gonna carry me. I was just trading off of emotions, wasn't trading off of strategies. Then I started revenge trading because I thought I was gonna make that money back, and the market really got to me. This forex market is crazy. It's way different than stocks. Let me tell you that. The volume, everything, the volatility, just the amount of the wick, like how the prices be jumping on the forex. It's way different than stocks. Let me tell you that. I blew that account. I plan on depositing another good amount, and then restarting. Or just I have a little bit of capital in there, but it's gonna take me a couple trades to get. I don't know. I'm still shook. I'm really mad. I'm not gonna give up. Why should I give up? I've come this far. It's a learning process. I learned today that that not everything will go in your favor. You will lose. Best thing to do is nothing at all. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna review and think to myself, where did I go wrong, and how can I prevent it from happening again? So yeah. So this is the current update on the weekly. This is the month right now. We're up $100. The goal is for 1,000, and we currently have a couple more days through Christmas. They're in December. We have a couple more weeks left in December. I heard a lot of people don't trade during December because of the market liquidity. There's no liquidity. I can't say this word. There's no market liquidity in December, so I heard a lot of people don't trade there in December, so I'm gonna see if we can actually reach the goal. Maybe if not, then we'll probably do it there in January of next year. But on the 7th we lost 40, and then we won 8, and then we lost 70, and this week I plan on redeeming myself and not making the bad trades I made. We made a good couple trades the 2nd and the 5th, and then we just started going to chaos after that. But I did a review, and I did see which trades I did and why I did that. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, I was reviewing all the MT4 trades I took right here, and I was just going back on TradingView and seeing which ones my losses, and then my biggest winners and all that. And then I was reviewing, and then I was looking at the chart patterns for wherever I went wrong, and I didn't know that MT5 takes you out of your trades if you're losing too much, because the 1 to 500 leverage. But basically, yeah, it takes you out. I would have expected it to hold and then, you know, get my money back. But I guess they took me out too early. I would have made 5,000 right here. But I guess we need to have better entries next time, and that's what I plan on doing. And, you know, I just kept revenge trading. That's all really. But I reviewed, revised, and then I started back testing a little bit and just practicing during the weekend. And that's what we're gonna go in strong during this week. I already have all my charts ready for next week, and this is basically how it is whenever I'm live trading. Usually like to have the 2 chart 5-minute right here and then the 1 hour. But if I want to view the overall trend like I was earlier, I usually like to go and put all my price action slash supply and demand supply and demand areas on the 1 hour chart, and then I like to view the overall trend with the 1 day, or usually sometimes the 4 hour. It depends. It really just all I can't see this. It really all just depends, you know, how much the market move or what stocks I'm viewing, and basically that's it. Yeah, but tomorrow I'm gonna tell you all my strategy for tomorrow. If I do see SQ going down, I might just call some puts because I feel like it's being overbought right now, and I want to buy some puts and probably hope for it to reach to the 62 area, and then I'm gonna see where it goes. I'm gonna keep holding on to those puts for the whole week, and it might plummet down even more into this yellow line to the 59 to the 60 area, and it might bounce back and just hit it and then go down even more. Or that's basically it. I want to go down, hit the 62 red area right here, and then if it goes up, then I'm gonna start selling. But if it goes up and it starts bouncing back and forth and consolidates and goes down, then I'm gonna just keep holding it. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna hold my trades, but I am gonna have a stop loss. AMD, if I do see AMD start being bought, and then I'm gonna probably buy some calls and just wait for it to hit the 70 mark or the 69 mark. And basically, we have a lot of stocks we can trade right now. PayPal, I don't know about PayPal. I feel like it's gonna go up to the yellow line and come back down. That's what happened last time. I'm just wait for it to go up and then come down. The 1 hour, I want to do some SPY put because I feel like SPY is gonna be a good one. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of calls on SPY, and then it's gonna go back down a lot. Maybe I might do some calls on SPY because these things, bro, SPY be moving a lot. You can make a lot of money on these contracts. So I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna see if it hits up here, and I'm gonna just buy the puts and then sell it. But I'm gonna just wait and see, and basically I'm gonna update y'all tomorrow. So yeah.
Alright guys, I've been a little bit sick lately these past couple of days, but I've been feeling a little bit better, and I did trade today. I made a 1 trade only, Roku trade, and I called a call, and I'm gonna show you guys right now which one, at what time and why I bought it. And I'm gonna just give y'all, you know, my strategy and as to why I bought it, and, you know, I was on the 1 hour chart. I was viewing this one on the 1 day chart before. I usually around 8 o'clock, I usually like to view the market, every stock on the 1 day chart, but usually like to make my analysis before on Sunday night and see where the stocks can go. And then usually, you know, during the pre-trading hours, or like, you know, the before market, I usually like watching the market and see where it's going, if it's going up and down, and, you know, see where the market's gonna go for the day. And today was Roku's lucky day. I was gonna trade SPY, but I didn't have enough capital, and it was kind of fishy, you know. 0 day contracts, you know, their contract expires that same day, and if I make one wrong move, I basically lose, you know, a good amount of capital. So I didn't want to risk it. And let me show you real quick. This candlestick right here, this long red candlestick right here, this one. And I saw Roku going up a little bit. I saw it hit boulder bands, and I saw it going up, and then I was like, you know what, it's not hitting 50 yet, so I'm gonna wait till it hits 50 on the contract. So I bought it a little bit early right here, and I started going up and down and bouncing back and forth. I was like, all right, you know what, I saw, you know, it was being oversold, and then it was in between right here, but then whenever I went to the daily chart, it's being oversold again, and then on the 4 hour chart it's being oversold. So I'm gonna hold it a little bit till probably till Wednesday, till the FOMC meeting comes, and then I'll probably just sell it right there, and then I'm probably gonna hit some other calls and see where the market goes from there. I'm probably gonna trade SPY because the account is growing. Let me show you the account real quick. Like I was ready to trade SPY, man, right now. Look at SPY, bro. SPY is just such a beautiful. It hit the price action point. Hit my price action point, boys. This is the perfect trade. I should have just waited, man. I should have just been more patient today. Boom! Look at that. Look at this beautiful trade on the 1 hour chart. We could have just. It was hitting the support zone. It was turning into resistance, and boom, skyrocketed up by, what was this, 394 all the way up to 398. $4 a contract. Each share on that contract would have been up $4. We would have made so much more. Some days I really regret, you know, having a limited amount of trades, because you can make so much money on SPY, man, by these moves. So yeah, I'm waiting for Roku to go up at least to probably 53. I'm waiting for it to hit 53, and then I'm gonna just take it out. That's going to be, I think it's a 3-to-1 trade. Okay, how much we're up right now? So this is basically that count right now. We're up $85 today on Roku.
We bought the calls at 10:45, which is an hour back because I don't know why this is Eastern time. I forgot. This is basically the calendar. We're up 180 right now on this month. So I want to reach the 1K goal, and we got a little bit of a couple of days to be trading. Alright guys, so I was right. Everything went up right now. Roku's going up to $58. Oh, I should have held it. I pulled out already. I pulled out at 56. Let me check. Oh my goodness, chat. I pulled out way too early. We're up 200 today. 234 Roku. We sold it at 831. As soon as the market opens, let's see. Let's go on the 1 minute time. Let's see where it was at. 831. Basically right here. I sold it. This candlestick, so it was at like around 50, 55 right here. This one right here, this big one, 831. But around 55, and it's at, what is it at? 58, bro. I would have got $3 more. Ah, sold it too early. I would have made so much more money. $3 a share, man. It went up. It would have went up by a lot. I would have probably been up like 300 right now. Sold it way too early, man. Fuck. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna wait for some put, and that's it. All right, guys, we got some meta puts. 122. I'm so scared it's going down. Reason for trading is because it's being oversaturated, it's being overbought, and it hit one of the key points right here. So I just expect it to go down. Went up already. It overbought in the 5 minute too, and the 1 hour too. But on the 4 hour too is being overbought. Well, still being bought, but it's going down eventually. 1 day too being still a little bit bought. I don't plan on holding this trade for too long. If I see it going up, then I'm taking it out. I'm not risking it. But my key point to take out is probably right here at 117. But yeah, so as soon as it hit that, I'm taking it out. Because I bought 2 contracts this time, not 1. So there's more money on the line. And if I see a reversal on the trade, then I'm taking it all out. I'm not hesitating. Have a stop loss and take profit. So I don't want it to go up above 123. I'm taking it out right there if it does. But if it does bounce on this line, then I'll keep it. But I'm just waiting for it to go down even more now. I gotta go back to school at 1 o'clock, so I plan on taking out this trade at 1 o'clock. It is 10:32 right now for me, so I'm just currently scared right now. So guys, I forgot to take out the trade. I went to go take I was supposed to take I'm going to take a final tomorrow, but trade didn't go in my favor all the way. It went out to right here. I made a good amount, but I feel like it's gonna go back up and then go back right back down. Being overbought right now, it's gonna drop and plummet down. I'll watch tomorrow on the market. Everything went green. So tomorrow, I'm definitely for sure waiting for the Fed meeting, and then indicates that it's gonna go down, so probably will. But this trade did spike up all the way and then went up. So I expected it to go down. You know, when it spikes up a lot, I expect it to go down, bruh. All right, guys, we got into a QQQ call, and I'm such an idiot right now, man. I thought it was gonna cross, I think around here. I thought it was gonna keep going up, and then I waited, and I was all right, you know, it's gonna cross right here. It's on the 5 minute though, and it didn't. We got some calls, and it's going down against our trade. The 1 hour right here clearly says it was being oversold. I'm waiting for it to be bought. 4 hour too. I thought it was gonna hit the support, and then into this demand zone and probably go down a little bit more, but I guess the market's not going in my favor. Eventually it's gonna pull back up because I don't see it going all the way down at this rate, and it's a big ass red candle, man. You know, I don't think it's gonna get anything bigger than that, you know. But I'm gonna go trade some forex right now on my MT5 account, bro. I got some really good puts on this. I was so scared yesterday too on the one. I hit a 122 put yesterday. It was, I think, 122. I think I got some puts right here, and then I saw it go back up. Boom, it was being bought again, so I wasn't really in that much profit. Pretty scared, but then eventually the trade just went all the way down to my favor, and I think I sold a little bit earlier, but I should have held it a little bit longer. It would have made a lot more money. I don't know why I got out the trade so early. I got scared. I thought it was gonna pull back up, and so I sold at 832 today. 832 around right here at 117. I could have held it for $2 more. I sold it around 117, and the trade just kept going down and down and down, and entered my demand zone. I guess I should just waited to hit key level and just sold it. I got out a little too early, and then I'm getting in a little too early over here. So it's the polar opposites of each right now. So we took a trade too early, and now we got out of a trade too early. So, but this was the gain, 381, basically on 2 contracts. And we're basically down on QQQ right now. That much, yeah. So yeah, that much we're at right now. We're still up though. We're still up. You know what I'm saying? We're still up. Look at that. We made too much. We made too much, bro. That ass. But yeah, we good. Trade's gonna go up eventually, and we're gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. Look at that baby green candle. The green candle. It's going green. It's at the lowest. It's done. It's gone. It's going up. It's going up. It's gonna hit past.
Biggest red day of my life. Biggest red day of my whole entire life. This is what happens when you trade after a big W. I blew it all. Well, don't do it. Don't revenge trade. Don't trade after Wednesday. That's all I'll say. So yeah.